Janani, congratulations on being felicitated as World Peace Ambassador. We would like to ask you, what is your concept of world peace and how we can spread peace in the world?
First of all, let me thank you. Thanks everyone here and Oak Art Foundation. And I'm the one who writes the lines beautifully and doesn't want actor to make a mistake. But when it comes to my turn, I'm like, oh God, what do I do? So, well, when it comes to world peace, it begins with my mama's story, nothing new theory or new thing. When we were 7 siblings, and whenever we would fight and she would show us picture of, it's like being there from times immemorial, Shiva, a family of Shiva, Parvati, Loin, Nandi, Snake, everybody sitting, and she would always tell us, and especially I'm from a conflicting state, Kashmir, but which is so calm, and people used to go there for spiritualism and seeking peace. So she would always tell us, look at this picture. They're not fighting. They're not out to eat each other. So this is the peace you should have at home. So that was continuous picture which used to be in my mind when I was a naughty kid. So it went on to that, I used to go on the mountain top and say, hey Pakistan, I want to come there. I wanted that there should be no boundary. I wanted to go to Pakistan and I wanted to tell everybody out there, let's cut the boundaries. But then if you ask me how we can get that peace worldwide, we cannot get it unless we have fear and we have hunger. If I go to people and hungry people who are on the road and say, listen, I'm talking about world peace. ये भरे पेट के answers हैं. खाली पेट को ये समझ नहीं आता peace. So what we need to do is because when there is fear, you cannot grow. When there is hunger, you can't do. As Natasha said, education, that is one thing. But I want our children not to be educated by telling them, "Kama lo varna bade hoke kya khaoge." That is something everybody does. Creating that fear, you're not going to be earning, you're not going to. Rather than that, I want children of our country, let's talk about our country, peace first, they to be taught education like Gurukul, where you're told, do your karmas and you have to give something to the world rather than saying you need to earn. Otherwise, you will not be respected and your life will go to tombs. One is that world peace for me means hunger, education at that level, and my childhood dream, there is no boundary, there's no politics, there's no religion, and we are just human beings. That's the world peace.
Thank you for your lovely elaborate answer. It was very educated. And what is the concept of inner peace?
Inner peace is my mom's peace. Because right now, I'll tell you biggest example, she's in the hospital. This morning she went to hospital and she was bleeding from nose and mouth. And I was so worried that I wanted to miss this occasion. And she is in ICU. And when I thought I'm not coming here, but she recovered within a couple of hours, it was high BP. When I called her, I said, I'm coming. She said, Beta, I've always told you that peace is something you should not leave. Even if I'm leaving the body, my soul is going to be there. So be peaceful because I'm spiritual. So for me, my mom's peace is peace, and I believe expecting nothing from world is just giving and being minimalistic in your requirements and giving a lot to the world. That's inner peace for me. Thank you.
We pray for your mother's health and we hope she recovers fast. And thank you for coming in spite of that. And thank you. I request you to have a seat.